Crypto Market Update, weekend and June 23, 2025. The crypto market experienced a turbulent weekend, shaped by both macroeconomic pressure and geopolitical shock after the US bombed Iranian nuclear facilities. A lot of people expected markets to crash hard, but honestly, crypto only wobbled for a moment. It's already bouncing back and finding its footing today. Bitcoin BTC Update. Over the weekend, Bitcoin slipped below key support levels, briefly dropping under $99,000 as risk-off sentiment surged in response to US-Iran tensions. This marked one of the steepest intraday dips in recent weeks. However, the market quickly corrected, and BTC has rebounded back above $101,000 as of Monday morning. Despite short-term volatility, bulls are defending the $100K psychological level with strong buy-side liquidity. Institutional activity remains robust. MicroStrategy recently acquired another $1 billion worth of BTC, and ETF inflows continue to pour in. These fundamentals support the ongoing bullish thesis, even amid geopolitical noise. Altcoin Market Update. While Bitcoin showed some weakness, several altcoins experienced strong weekend rallies. Ethereum, ETH, is climbing again, holding above $2,600 thanks to a $5 billion inflow into ETH ETFs. Its price performance over the past month has far outpaced Bitcoin's, signaling a possible early alt season. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, jumped 16%, testing the $500 resistance zone. Joe nearly doubled over the weekend, posting a staggering 97% gain. Additionally, AI and blockchain-related tokens such as SUI, FET, and DOT are gaining momentum as institutional and retail investors rotate into high-potential altcoins. Geopolitical tensions, US bombs Iran. The big story this weekend was the US airstrike on Iranian nuclear facilities. Initially, this sparked panic across financial markets. Oil prices surged, touching $80 a barrel and reigniting fears of inflation. Safe havens like gold, the US dollar, and treasury bonds saw inflows. Stock markets opened with mild jitters, but reactions remained surprisingly muted as investors adopted a wait-and-see approach. Crypto, known for its sensitivity to macro shocks, dropped immediately but recovered within 24 hours, suggesting growing market maturity and institutional stabilization. Is the bull run still on? Yes, but not without turbulence. Despite geopolitical uncertainty, the foundational elements of a bull market remain intact. The Bitcoin halving cycle is in play, historically a catalyst for new highs. Institutional adoption is at an all-time high, driven by ETFs, corporate treasuries, and retail demand. Ethereum's strength and the altcoin rotation point toward an alt season. That said, expect sharp pullbacks, 5–15% along the way. The bull run is not canceled, it's just more cautious and driven by macro events. Smart investors will treat dips as buying opportunities. Where is the market heading? Short term, 1–4 weeks. Expect elevated volatility. BTC could range between $100K, $110K depending on developments in the Middle East and energy markets. Mid-term, 1–3 months. If geopolitical risks stabilize, Bitcoin is likely to retest all-time highs, and altcoins could outperform as liquidity flows from BTC dominance. Long-term, 6–12 months. The bull cycle remains intact. Bitcoin could climb toward maybe $130K to $150K. Ethereum may target $3,500, $4,000, and high-quality altcoins in AI, gaming, and infrastructure could deliver outsized gains. Final takeaway. The crypto market absorbed a major geopolitical shock and bounced back in under 24 hours, signaling strength. Bitcoin's $100K support is holding strong, altcoins are flashing bullish signals, and the broader bull market is still alive. Watch key support levels and be ready to act during dips because this cycle is far from over.